Welton Hung here, and today I want to talk about why are your agency bidding on your brand name on Google Ads, and whether you should do it or not. So let me give an example here, and if you're currently hiring somebody to do Google Ads for you, typically, most likely you have limited ad budget, right? All of us have limited ad budget. I would definitely, if I were you, make sure those ad budget, whether it's $600, $900, could be $2,000, how many your ad budget is to put that budget only be bidding on niche keywords that you know are targeting those who are problem aware and they're truly looking for your services, rather than bidding on your own brand name. Because if they are Googling your brand name, most likely they already know you, right? They saw your offline marketing piece, it's a referral, and it doesn't make sense to be bidding on your own brand name, right? Because typically whenever somebody Googles you, you should be organically ranked right at the top, your website, and on the right hand side, on first page of Google is a knowledge panel, and it will display the critical information for your business already, such as your phone number, website. So it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to be bidding on your own brand name. Why would agencies do that? Typically, the reason they bid on your brand name, such as this example here, is they want to take credits. Right? They might put a call tracking number on your website and take credit, telling you, hey, right, you got so many phone calls coming in from this website, and it's all due to, right, our the things we're doing for you, right? But they're bidding on your brand name. These are people who already know you. They shouldn't be taking credits for that, right? They put the call tracking number on there and say, oh, these calls, right, all result of our marketing methods. Is it shady? Well, I'll let you, right, think it's shady or not. Okay? We typically don't, right? Because again, every one of our clients, they always have limited ad budget. I'd rather put those money towards those like people are looking for your services, not your brand name. However, there will be time when we do bid on client's brand name, and that's always with their approval. Okay? The reason we might do that sometimes is if their competitors started bidding on their brand name. Then we will then unfortunately have to bid on their brand name, so that way they show up above the competitor's listing. Okay? And that's the only reason sometimes we do. And the cost will be very, very economical typically, because Google knows it's your own brand name. The quality score, the relevancy score will be super high. So it's not very, very expensive to bid on your brand name. But still, from a point of view, it's a waste, unless somebody else is bidding on your brand name. And the other reason sometimes, right, might bid on your own trade name is similar to like Nike over here, right? Nike will still bid on its own brand name depending on what they want to promote, right? Let's say if they're promoting a special type of shoes, and especially with site link extension turned on, they can channel people to certain pages on their site already, okay? But typically, I wouldn't suggest, right, your agency to be bidding on your own brand name. So if you're currently a good test, if you're hiring somebody else to do Google Ads for you, just Google yourself and see whether your name, your ad pops up right at the top. If you do, I would really suggest you to call them up and tell them to turn it off, or make sure they're not bidding on your brand name, right? Most other agencies such as Yellow Pages or Haibu, Dex Media, that's always their trick, is to bid on your brand name. Okay? Again, just be careful out there.